Wow, so cool. Okay, move it back. Okay, bring it to me. Wow, how you did it? Racing.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very nice car. It's a remote control, see?
Wow, looks so cool. Look at the
I'm going to show
color.
you the best part.
Okay.
Close eyes.
Okay, close my eyes. Wow, surprise! Look at the cool colors. Oh my. So cool. I think I like the red color car, Tonyo.
This car?
Yeah, it's the red one. I like the red one. How about you? You like the green, but we bought the white. Uh-oh, you bought the
I like this one and this one
Oh,
and
you
this
like...
one.
Okay. You don't like...
All.
You like all?
Yeah.
Alright. So are we ready to unbox?
Yes.
Alright, let's unbox it. What do we have there? What do we have?
You didn't buy the battery here.
Yeah, battery are included, right?
Yeah.
See? Batteries are included.
Batteries are included. I'm gonna get the car out. Is it this way or this way? Or this way? Oh, it's so cool. So nice. We need to charge it.
It's a chargeable battery. Chargeable. See? It comes with a USB port. Oh wow, this is so cool. You can charge on your handphone adapter.
Huh?
Or TV also you can charge. Any adapter you can charge. See? It's a USB port. It's so cool.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's much easier than the other remote control car, right?
Yeah.
Their charger is a small pin. Look at this. It's a USB charger.
Good.
USB port.
I want to charge it my phone.
Yeah. Okay, let's open up the battery cover. Oh wow, we got a USB. It's a USB adapter. So I think put in the car and charge.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is a chargeable battery. 1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4. How many we got?
4.
Okay, come. Let me open up the battery compartment. Let's unscrew it. Unscrewing battery compartment now. Ching, 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 ching.
Daddy.
Don't have like a transformer, Tonyo. Alright, the screw. Need to pull out the screw a bit more. Alright. Okay, it's out. Wow, 4 batteries. Must see the plus and minus. Wait, let me go nearer. Okay, there's 2 plus, 2 minus. Okay,
2
do it.
plus 2 minus. I don't care what even battery I'm doing. Let's see if you can
Done?
need to charge.
Yes. Show me how you do.
Need to charge, Daddy.
Is it correct?
Need to charge.
Okay. All the 4 batteries in. See, we can't on. We need to charge.
I have 95%.
Here's a remote. Okay, here is a remote control car remote. This is the remote. Looks cute and cool. Oh, there's one more battery compartment here. We need to put battery inside here. Let me see what size of the battery is it.
Small, more better, small.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Small, please, small.
I've removed the screw. Put to the side so it won't lose. Oh, it's a two AA size battery.
Big.
We need another 2 AA size battery. Okay guys, we're back with the battery. We will be back with the battery.
No, I can buy it now. You just take video.
Okay. Putting in a AA battery. It's in. One more.
On it.
There, you see the light? Ta-da!
Okay.
The battery has power.
Why can I?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna put back the cover first.
On.
Don't you wait. Put back the cover first.
Why can I? Is it on?
No, wait, put back the cover first.
I'm leaving it on Daddy.
Let me put back the cover first. Don't your chinny boy, my cartoon boy. Okay, tighten. Is it tighten? Alright. Okay, it's working. This is a 4 chargeable battery. Let me put back the cover first, okay?
This baby is joined.
Which baby? This baby just came.
Yes, this guy.
Hello, Cassie. Are you ready to play remote control car?
Yes.
Show me your face, Cassie. I cannot see your face. Are you ready to play remote control car, Cassie?
Yes.
Wow. How about Tonio? Are you ready?
Super.
Super. Okay, guys. Wait. Give me 1 more minute.
Hey, Daddy, go.
Give me 1 more minute.
Let go.
Let me put back the screw. Let me put back the screw. Okay. Off and on switch is here.
How do you on it?
Okay. Come to the first to me.
How do you on it?
Okay, here's the remote control.
Yeah, how do you on it? How do you?
See, you look at the front wheel. You move left, right, left,
Daddy, how
right,
do you on it?
left, right. Okay, check the rear tire. See, moving. This is how you on the car, Tonio. You press the remote left, right. This left switch here, is to move the rear wheels. See, the left switch here is to move the rear wheels. Move, jump, jump. This is go forward, go back.
Everybody
And
knows already.
on the right joystick here is to move the wheels, front wheels left or right. Right. See, getting one more. It's done. See, yeah? See?
Right,
Move back,
right,
move forward.
right. I'm a right-hander. Cool. Kasih, watch out. Kasih, coming here. Oops, I didn't have that before.
So cool.
It's going to Kasih, Daddy. Going to Kasih.
Going to Kasih. Okay, going to Kasih leg. Come on back.
I think that's good.
The car is coming back.
Ouch.
Kasih go stand. Let the car go through you. That's it.
Kasih moon bang, wait. Moon bang, I'm sure. Moon bang.
Kasih come.
Moon bang big.
No, Kasih don't scared. Kasih don't be scared. Look at the cartoon girl.
Kasih stay there, just go down. No, I won't say I off it already, Kasih. Say I off it, done.
Now, Kasih don't be scared.
No more, I off it.
Kuya won't hit your leg. Tony won't hit your leg.
Where is it? Can I?
Yeah, it's not moving.
Can it move?
Cannot move.
Oh God.
Come on. See, never hit your leg. See? Go stand straight. Kuya go. Never bang you.
See, I go
See?
under. See.
You see? See, never hit.
She never hit.
You kasih your turn. Your turn, madam. Madam kasih your turn.
I have a super good idea. I know it's a car part now.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Cassie. Sorry, princess. Just a car part.
Ready? Ready? Go! Boom! See? I'm coming back. Now. Ready? Go forward. Boom!
It doesn't work.
Say again. Wow, Cassie can do it. Wow, so cool. Bring the car back. Bring the car. What happened? Banging. The car banging. Okay. Go forward. Press forward. Press forward. Forward. Are they going?
What did I do? I did this one the best.
Okay. Show me how you do it. Wow. And then? Yeah, bang the table. No, bang the table. Ready? Careful, don't go down the staircase. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you went in the drain. Try to hit the ball. Uh-oh. You went in the drain again. Let's go, try hit the ball. You try. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Almost there.
Oh!
Yeah. What are you doing, flying? What monster are you doing there?
I can do a roll here.
What?
That's why I did a roll here.
Roll here?
Yeah.
What roll here? How you roll?
Like this. I did it here.
Alright, show me. Wow.
Before Aina and Rahul can do it, then Danya they leave.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
How did I just even do it the fun way?
Yeah, how you do the fun?
It was like this, then like.
So cool, right? So cool, right?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
How you do it? Is it still working?
Yeah.
Still working? Oh wow, it's quite durable.
You know how I land?
How?
On the staircase, you see this part.
How you landed?
They stay like this.
Wow, you landed this way?
Yeah, it stayed like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
He's playing soccer.
Reverse back. Wow, move forward. Wow, so cool. How you do that?
I don't know. I like this.
Wow. How you did it?
I think I know already how to do it. Oh yeah, I already know how. Wait. Wait, I need to come here. I forget. I see. I can do this. I can do this with what? See.
Go.
See. Daddy.
Come. Bring the car to me.
It looks very nice inside, Daddy.
Inside the car?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Come, show it to me.
Nice, right?
Yeah. Bring it here.
Okay, coming. I think I have idea.
Bring it here.
Oh, nice. Yes, he.
Wow, so cool. Okay, move it back. Okay, bring it to me. Wow, you did it!
Ah!
Racing.
I want to get it one now. I get it around my.
Oh!
How? How was it?
Boom, boom. Ready?
Go.
Go. Flip turn.
He do the flip turn. Come, give it to me. Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
Bring to you.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Go, down, go.
Go. Tunggu. Come here, tunggu. Tunggu. Show them the tires. Whoa. That's how the tire looks like. It's very nice. Turn.
Turn.
Wait, I'm doing track. Go.
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.